Damn, I started opening it up and I didn't even tell y'all what it was. Come open it with me. Let's go see how this is gonna look on the daily. It's a quick little mock-up just to see how it's gonna look. Not bad, not bad at all. Alright, so I think the only thing that I actually truly need is just to clean the trunk and then get 3M tape all over here. So let's go ahead and do it. It actually comes with this. I think this is like liquid hardener, I don't know, or like liquid nail. It looks something like this. Alright, as you can see, I have 3M all over it. I don't know what the hell this is. I tried to put it on there. It evaporated really quick. I already cleaned the surface, so let's go ahead and take this off and let's set this on. Alright, cool. This all looks on. Looks pretty sturdy. Not bad. Not bad at all.